I'm Dave and this is Austin Eats. I'm making a very special seafood tempura from crawfish tails. Crawfish look like little tiny lobsters, and the meat from a crawfish tail is barely 1.5 inches long, and that's perfect for tempura. Crawfish tempura is easy to make, it tastes great, and it's right here on Austin Eats.
I found some frozen, cleaned, and shelled crawfish tails in my local market. These will be perfect for making tempura. There are a couple of secrets to making great tempura. First of all, buy really good tempura mix. I buy mine in a local Japanese specialty store, and it's so much better than what I can buy on the market. Next, make sure your ingredients are really cold. I'm going to make my tempura batter by mixing ice cold water or ice cold soda water, like I'm doing here, into the tempura mix. I'm using soda water because I think the bubbles just make it a little bit lighter and fluffier. Mix that around and notice my bowl of tempura batter is sitting in a bowl of ice. I want to keep this nice and cold. Now, the crawfish get dipped in some tempura batter mix, just the dry mix, and then they go right into the batter and then into the fryer. The dry tempura mix actually helps the batter stick a little bit better. Once those are ready, in the fryer they go. I served my crawfish tempura with tempura dipping sauce, but it's also fantastic with a spicy aioli. Give this a try. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.